Hazard analysis and critical control point, HACCP, is a way of managing food safety hazards. 7 HACCP principles promote good safety practices in the food industry. HACCP has been a legal requirement in the UK food industry since 2006. It is compulsory under EC Regulation 852/2004, which is sometimes referred to as the HACCP law. Catering, food retail and food manufacturing businesses must all abide by these rules. In brief, HACCP involves conducting a hazard analysis, identifying critical control points, known as CCPs, establishing critical limits, drawing up reliable monitoring procedures and systems, establishing corrective actions, establishing reliable verification processes, and implementing reliable record-keeping processes. A good HACCP plan helps you spot problems before they compromise food safety and enables you to take suitable measures to correct them. The first step is to undertake a thorough hazard analysis. A hazard is something that is dangerous. In this case, it is something that may make food unsafe or unfit to eat. There are 3 main types of food safety hazards you should consider: microbiological hazards, which involve harmful bacteria, chemical hazards, which involve chemical contamination, and physical hazards, which involve objects getting into food. If you don't have the sufficient knowledge and experience necessary in order to conduct a hazard analysis, you have a responsibility to seek external guidance. For instance, you may need to hire a health and safety expert with expertise in the food industry sector. The hazard analysis stage consists of 2 steps. The first step, hazard identification, can be regarded as an ideas sharing session. During this step, the people conducting the assessment review the ingredients used in the product, the activities conducted at each step in the process, the equipment used, and how the final product will be stored or distributed and its intended use. The second step is hazard evaluation. You must decide which potential hazards to include in the HACCP plan. Evaluate the severity of each potential hazard and how likely it is to cause harm. Think about the seriousness of the consequences of exposure to the hazard. For example, you may need to consider the risk of a consumer contracting an illness after eating some undercooked food. You should consider both long-term and short-term effects of a potential hazard. These guidelines are broad. This is intentional. HACCP principles are intended for use at every stage and in all areas within the food industry, and thus they need to be flexible.